Đây đây. Gặp frog everywhere. Đây. Black bear. Black bear too.
Yeah, down there.
Check it out in the Zuki.
Well, you can
Do
see
not
from
turn.
down there. See,
Nah.
I see people.
Isn't that black bear?
I don't know.
I don't see.
I see people. Wait, that was people that we saw. Let's go to the bear.
Easy, con easy.
I feel so happy.
We're so happy.
You happy? You're a happy boy.
Đi làm con nông cả rút như thế. Con mà mới đào. Con đào vậy.
Let's go. That's very there. That's funny. It's a pro now.
Cô để chạy cho xin này. Nhưng phải đẹp rồi.
Oh, this is snowy owl. I see an owl.
Ông không đi chung cho con ta scary.
No, it was looking right at us.
Yeah.
Like right here.
Hmm. Uh,
So cute, Daddy.
What is that?
Daddy there.
chị cái thơ sạch đó cái ta sạch chiên mà chẳng non với màu môn nè. Yeah.
You found him?
I found
Yeah.
him.
Mm.
I heard something.
You had the border, Daddy.
Hi.
Is this another owl?
There you go.
If I can see them.
Okay, you go.
Let's see.
Yeah. Uh-huh. You a bird, Camera.
Hai đứa cho chật lại đi nè, đôi tèo chân. Không mà trong này nó sẽ có đá gì.
ប៉ុន្តែអត់សូវមានសត្វអីមើលផង
Let's see the fish.
Okay.
Where's Sluggy?
Hmm?
Where's Sluggy? I need to find him. Oh, I found him.
You found it?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Ooh, វានោះចាប់ត្រី
Because there's fishes down there.
អញ្ចឹងដុំថ្ម
Hey, đấy, kẹo
Will
này
we
đi nó
come
đi.
against another day?
ហ៎
Will we come against another day?
Come again. Okay.
Ew.
What's that?
Disgusting.
Tất nguyên cái này rồi.
Rocky start.
ទឹកវាពពុះ
Ất khơi. Cái nước liệt nè.
I thought you could.
Dạ, con khơi.
Go down this.
Yeah.
Go down through room là al. Phlieng. À nó bỏ ọt phlieng ọt ai à. Bảo việc phlieng. It's fun. You having fun? You having fun? Nó mơ trời. What?
It's raining. It's like it's raining.
Uh-huh. Oh. Oh.
Mommy, it reminds me of when you put me to that one because you work and it's raining and snow.
Oh dear. Big fish come tray copper. Tray copper.
Oh, that's a fish. That's the bone of a fish. Yeah. If they fight each other, who would win?
Anh xem là chua tay ta
Oh
cái
my
mơ.
god, look at this.
You don't see? It is
Oh my
big.
gosh.
Oh that's right.
Anh bắt chưa?
It has a mouth.
À, quay cái này con mang về.
Mà một việc chụp cái chọ.
That leads.
Oh my god, một tay một việc của mình.
Scary.
Mình cái về ra ở hay trong trẻ xuống.
Oh my god. That's scary, Dada.
Mua lọ nào ạ?
I know that's scary. Why did the big stuff on it? Mommy,
Hai cái đó. Mua mẹ mua đi hai cái kì. Cái còn lại.
Water.
Anh ơi. Bạn kêu của bạn thôi.
He's smoking a stick. He's smoking a stick.
Vụ việc làm cơm.
Oh, look at that. Mom. Look at the baby.
Nó về về.
Rồi khoa anh cười si.
I'm going to see him. What? I said see. I mean yum.
Nhá mà môi này cả tất cả cụ đã cái mơ.
His butt crack.
Anh ấy không mà đừng ở trong nữa.
À.
Doesn't
Ô nè.
No, that's
Anh cười một tí đây mà bị yên đi ạ.
Hey, go stand there and turn.
Anh ấy đôi một nơi sự điên một nơi thông qua cái chợ ấy.
Ôi nghĩ mà.
Gặp nè.
He's fat.
Ta qua ta về thở về khai về áo khai ta chìa.
Nó ăn được nữa đó. Ôi lọ này ở ngoài bị mửa ôi chị được. How did all time go? She was like almost spitting her water. Oh my god.
Thế. Đấy đây à?
Chị gọi gọi anh mượn.
Chia sẻ không? Tiền. Tiền. Cái này. Tới. Tao. Cua.
Hả?
I found Poppy. He's behind the thingy.
Let's go, baby.
Hearing it, I guess.
Keep going.
Whoa, wait. Go in there.
อันนั้นเมื่อมอน
Like it shopping day.
อันนั้นเมื่อมอนแต่เป็นช้อปปิ้งนะ
บุตรีออกคลิปท็อปคลิป
เนี่ยเรียกมันเมื่อเลยหนูนาจะเริ่มอาจจะเยอะมาซีมานาเรียกนาเท่
เอามือดิเอาไม่เลือกไอ้มือ
นี่มันเป็นพวกมาซีเมเชอร์
Let's see that ไอ้ยักษ์ I go
เกิด
อันหนึ่ง
มาหน้าตาอุ้ยอาจเวีย
ชีตั้งโอ้ยไอ้ rabbit แคปนี่แน่ rabbit
Daddy, you say no. It's a guinea pig.
Is it rabbit? This is not rabbit.
This is a guinea pig.
Are you going to stay seated?
It's a big one.
No bumping on it, but you got to stay seated with your arms and I won't bump it. How about that? Deal?
อันนั้นเราโนเตียนเนาะ
Deal?
อันนั้นไอ้ปัง
ดาวันโนบอยโน
So that
ปีไป
generally happens when an animal is shot. The bullet breaks into little tiny fragments. And if somebody leaves an animal in the woods that they shot, these guys, they find it and they eat it and they can't pick out the lead, they eat the lead and it kills them. So we hope that people who are hunters will use steel bullets instead of lead bullets.
อ่า
That way we won't have as big a problem.
lead bullet is a poison right
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly. These guys can eat the rottenest, deadest meat you can possibly imagine because that's what they eat. They eat stuff that's been killed by something, not them. They don't kill anything. So if they find an animal in the woods, they can digest all that rotten meat, but they can't digest lead bullets.
yeah
See that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 đấy là đi.
Emma, what is this?
โป่งเวีย
Come on,
that's
it's
an
an
egg
egg.
that's an egg
It's an egg. Wait, what's...
So that's what their eggs look like.
Yeah.
When we have a breeding facility where we are raising these guys, and when the mama bird lays an egg, we take it and we put it in an incubator to help it grow and hatch. And we put a fake egg underneath mom so she thinks she still has her baby there.
Oh.
So when her baby is born, we give it back to her and then she can raise it.
Oh.
That way we don't lose any. Sometimes, they can have an accident and break an egg.
I see
We don't want that to happen.
Good.
So we're raising about 12 chicks.
เข้าไป yeah កុំលោឡាពេកកូនលោឡាពេកសัตว์វាខ្លាចគាត់ចេញមកមកដល់ទៅមើលប៉ូលីសទៀតចូលដល់ក្នុងនោះក្នុងមកណា
Camellia. It's a seal. See, there's seals.
Look at quick, man. Nó bị đây cái nọ.
hơ vậy đây họ kìa
All of it. Is he gonna eat that crow?